9-year-old Felicia found alive.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
The hunt continues for Davian Bryan, who abducted 9-year-old Felicia Purcell from her home in Bath, St. Thomas, minutes after 7 p.m. on Thursday, October 14th. The child was found alive today, Saturday, October 16th, in the Arcadia district of St. Thomas by a search party which included the police and residents. She was taken to the Princess Margaret Hospital in the parish for treatment. It has been almost 36 hours of agony for the child's family after she was kidnapped by Bryan while playing with her puppy. It was reported that Bryan was heading towards Portland with the girl, but his plans were foiled when the child was found by a search party led by Deputy Superintendent of Police O'Neil Thompson. DSP Thompson says residents of Arcadia played a vital role in helping to locate the child in a wooded area.
We have received calls from citizens in the Arcadia district that a strange man was seen in the area, and based on a photograph which is being circulated, there's suspect that this is the person who actually abducted Felicia. We went in the area and we went in the bushes. We saw this person. This person made good his escape. Police are now still searching for that person. We continue to search the bush, very, very, very thick vegetation, and where we saw certain things like food items and so on. So we suspect that this is where he stayed with her.
45-year-old Bryan is no stranger to law enforcement. He is currently out on bail, having been charged with illegal possession of firearm and ammunition in Portland. Bryan is also accused of using a knife to injure a woman in Bath District, St. Thomas, just moments before abducting the child.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!